20 cents more. How much does Fran have? I'm turning around for you in a minute.
Where are my dimes?
So you're getting out 5 dimes and 1 nickel.
And then adding them up.
Well, first get that out. Susan has 5 dimes. Remember, the D is dimes, and 1 nickel. So get that out in front of you right now. Follow that direction. Okay? Oh, keep it inside. Fran has 20 cents more than Susan.
How much does Susan have?
How much, okay, does Fran have?
How much does she have, boy?
What does it say, Neb? It's right here.
She has 20 cents more. Oops, I was about to say out the answer.
Yep, I'm so glad that you restrained yourself, Jake, because we want to give everybody a chance to be thinking. All right, those of you in stations have very little time left, about 30 seconds, and you're going to start cleaning up.
Do you have to make that answer?
So think about the directions, Hannah. Get out what Susan has, 5 dimes and 1 nickel. Do you have that in front of you? And then Fran has 20 cents more than that. So you're going to need to add 20 cents to that, aren't you? Okay?
Oh, I know how much.
Thank you, Sam. I'm glad. I hope you guys are all double checking your work, right? All right, station people, clean up your stations. Stand behind your chairs, please. And then I will know we're ready to switch to the next station.
Oh, that. Oh, yeah. Okay.
You have to admit that when I started teaching here, I had this awesome bucket of coins. All right, everybody got it? All right, I want you to hold up that many fingers for me. How many quarters are you going to take to make $2.25? How many quarters to make $2? 8. So how many quarters to make $2.25, Matthew? 9 is correct answer. Good. Excellent job, boys and girls. All right, let's try another one. Oh, this is a really tricky one. Are you up for this?
Yes.
I want you to make 86 cents for me, but here's the tricky part. You must make it with only 5. Kendall, Nathan, is that how that station gets cleaned up? We talked about it. Please think about it. All right. Do we know how much money Fran has?
Yep. Yep.
Are you there, Grace? Okay. Is this how much Susan has? 5 dimes, right? And 1 nickel. You're there, right? So now add the 20 cents that Fran has to it. Any way you want. How are you going to make 20 cents? Just add 20 cents to it. Pick out 20 cents. How can you make 20 cents? Let's not make it with pennies. That would take a long time. Let's make it with dimes. How many dimes will you need? 20 cents. Here's one. Okay, how many more? Oh, here's another one. Is that 20 cents more? 10, 20? Okay, so now, do we know how much Fran has? Add it all together. If it's an emergency. Okay. All right. Are we at our next station? Can I start? We all good?
Wait, what? Everybody got it.
All right.
No, I don't have the answer yet. I'm trying to count, but it doesn't really mean.
Oh, so do you have the 5 dimes? Where are your 5 dimes for Susan plus 1 nickel? Yep, you have it. Now you just have to count it all together because we're adding that together. Okay? Matthew, what do you think our total is? How much did Susan have, Matthew? How much
40.
did Susan have?
40.
10, 20, 30, 40,
50.
and 5 more is?
55.
And then now we're going to add the 20 cents that Fran had. So then Fran had
Then that is 60.
60, it was 55, and 10 more is 65, and 10 more is? Yes, indeed. How many people got 75? Give me a thumbs up if you have 75. Can you ask Mrs. Yingling to help you with that?
Actually, 3, 2, 1, you can go now.
Okay. Hi, I'm Karen Smart, one of the learning support teachers at Lumen Christi, and you are seeing the mathematical practices that we incorporate into our Common Core math units. We approach math in a very exciting way at Lumen Christi. We pre-test students before each unit on specific standards that will be covered. Then students are split into 3 groups between the 2 homeroom teachers and myself. This allows us to differentiate and better meet the needs of our students. Students struggling with concepts are placed in the smallest group so they can receive more individual attention to meet the standard. Higher level students are placed together so we can enrich the math standard to help each child meet their maximum potential. The groups are fluid throughout each unit. Students are moved as needed to best suit their needs as learning evolves. I meet with the teachers weekly to plan math. Teachers change the level of group that they take with each new unit. We have seen excellent progress from pre-test to post-test scores using this approach for math. Students not meeting the standard at the conclusion of a unit are given additional intervention time by me until the standard is met. This system has worked very well to meet the individual needs of each child in math at Lumen Christi.